I know, right? So cute. Oh my god. And also I've been so I didn't really do much today. I've just been in my room, edited, and I decided, why should I let a whole day go to waste when I can do some content? So I picked up my phone and we're out here vlogging. So I'm gonna be doing a realistic nighttime vlog. It's literally, and I've been editing since like 3:30, which is insane. However, I'm done with the video and I literally exported it and saved it, but then I remembered that I hadn't put some stuff in, so I'm just gonna go back onto my laptop and then edit that. That should take like 30 minutes, and after that we're gonna get some food to eat because the girl is famished. Oh my god. And also I've been craving noodles, so I thought I'm gonna do like a stir fry with like cabbage and carrot because I went to the shops last night and I did like a little bit of shopping with my friend. I should have vlogged that, but I didn't think about it, so it is what it is. But I want to set like a picture up here of the things that I got. And yeah, so I'm just gonna edit now. I'm gonna have like a cozy self-care realistic nighttime routine type vlog. So I'm literally so famished right now. It's 7:30, and also this video that I'm currently editing should go up before this video anyway, so I'll probably put a link in the description box down below, so if you want to go watch that, that would be greatly appreciated. But yeah, I'm just gonna go get the noodles done now because I haven't eaten since 3 p.m. I haven't eaten the whole afternoon. I had like pancakes in the morning and that was about it. To be fair, it was like around 12 p.m. because I usually don't have breakfast, which is not good. I'm trying to change, okay, but I had that at 12 p.m. and I haven't had anything since, and it's 7:30, so a girl is famished, so we need to go get ourselves some food. Also, I got an Amazon parcel, so I'm just gonna like unbox it together because I just thought, why not unbox the whole parcel together? So this is what I got. It's nothing fancy, but the parcel is like quite massive. We're just gonna do like an ASMR. That was so bad. That was literally the worst ASMR ever. But we're gonna unbox it together. Okay, so I know what you're basically thinking, right? A lid? Why a lid? Well, basically one of my flatmates broke my lid, so I don't have a lid for one of my pots and the frying pan, just because the pot and the frying pan just use the same lid, and then the frying pan came without a lid because that pot had a lid, so it was like a 2-in-1 type thing. And because he broke the other one, it looked really identical to this one, by the way, so I went on Amazon to get another lid. I don't know why they wrapped it in such a massive box, but it is what it is. I'm gonna try and see if it fits. If it doesn't fit, then we'll have a problem. If it does fit, then I'm gonna use this to make the noodles, so hopefully, fingers crossed, it works. So let's head out to the kitchen.
Believe in career, but you still think marriage is okay. I don't know.
I mean, Roxanne has
lot more successful than I am.
Okay, so I'm currently in the bathroom and I'm about to just put my face mask on. As you can tell, I've been breaking out like right there, like at the edges of my face, and I don't really know why. I think it's because I've been slacking off on skincare the past few days, so we need to be on top of skincare. I'm gonna go in with this Pure Active face mask. It's from Garnier, and I got this off Boots, and I'm just gonna apply it with this brush. It's just like a black charcoal. Ooh. Oh my god, I wish you can see the bubbles. There was just bubbles recently, but it's just like a black charcoal face mask, and it's literally almost done for. And it's like there's like cracks because I've been really using this, and I literally put my whole family on this just because it's so good, and it's got like a mint in there. This video is not sponsored, by the way, but like it's kind of like got mint in there, so it just gives you that cooling sensation when you put it onto your face, and it's just really cute and really nice. So yeah, I don't even know why I just use my fingers to put her on for some reason, but I'm just gonna like pop some onto the brush. This is so weird. I don't know, I'm such a weirdo, aren't I? But yeah, and also I find that applying your skincare products with a brush, it's just much more smoother and just like goes on perfectly, and you don't have to like use excessive amounts of face mask if you're using a brush, because it just like helps you just spread it out evenly compared to using your fingers. You're just gonna like add more and more products on, because more and more products will be left on your fingers, which is why I'm always going to be fair. I never used to go for a brush. However, I was watching one of Fernanda Ramirez's vlogs, and she always like applies her face mask with a brush, and I was like, oh, that actually is a good idea, because then you don't leave as much product on your hands. How have you guys been? Honestly, I feel like it's been a while I put a vlog out. I'm gonna try and be more consistent with vlogs, but I don't really put out vlogs just because I feel like my life hasn't been that exciting over the past couple of weeks. But I know that obviously something exciting doesn't need to happen in my life before I put out vlogs, but I just feel like it's just much easier if there's like things happening constantly in your life, and you can vlog about it, and it's not just like a repeated thing, because I've just been doing the same things all the time for a period of time now, and I just feel like if I'm vlogging all them stuff, it's just going to be the exact same thing. Also, life update, I've joined like a dance class. I do hip-hop, so it's like a competition team in my university, and last year we went for an audition. Anyways, little story time. I did not even know it was an audition, right? I thought I was just going in for a little dance taster, just to try my luck and just see what it was like. However, I get there and they're giving out numbers, right? I'm like, okay, this is a bit weird, like this is not normal, like you just go to a taster to try it out, no? But then they were giving out numbers, and I think I was like number 26 or something. So now I just stood there like, what is going on? And then one of the girls told me that apparently it was an audition for the hip-hop dance competition team, and I was like, oh my god, no one warned me about this. And she was like, oh, it was actually written on the app, because there's like a sports app for my university, and that's where you like book like taster events and stuff like that. And I was like, I didn't know about it. So I was like so nervous, because I thought we had to like do our own little choreography, but however the dance instructor like did her own choreo, and we had to like follow the steps, but it was like pretty short. We had to learn like the chorus of a song for like 10-15 minutes, and then we had to section ourselves in little groups and dance it out, and then at the end you do your own little freestyle. So it was my turn to go, like me and my group, and we did the dance. I actually blacked out halfway through. I forgot the moves because I was so anxious. I was like, oh my god, I did not prepare myself for this, and I don't even do like dance like that. Like I only dance in my leisure time, and I'm not even that great of a dancer. So like that was like an audition, and then there were all these like hip-hop people breaking and
pop and lock and jam and break,
and it was so good, and I was like, ugh. Anyways, it got to the freestyling bit, and I was just stood there because I didn't really know what to do. People were freestyling and shit, Oh, I'm not meant to swear. Anyways, I was called in again for a second go because obviously I forgot to freestyle. So the second time I was like, you know what, I have nothing to lose anyway. At the end of the day, if I don't get picked, I don't get picked. I did not come here for auditions. I was like, you know what, I'll just do my best and that's it. So I went in, we did a choreo, then I freestyled, I twerked a little bit. Oh my god, I know. So I twerked like a little bit, did my like little freestyle, sassy me. And the next day I wake up in the morning and like obviously I'm checking my university emails just in case like I've received emails, and then I saw the email that came up as like the school's name and dance, and I was like, oh, my heart literally skipped a beat. And I was like, oh my god, do I open it or do I not? Because like I was keeping everyone posted, like all my friends. Like I sent them a snap and I told them about what happened, and everyone was like, that's really funny. And I was like, not really. So I opened the email, and it came like the first one I saw, and it was in red because the whole text was in black, but that was in red. And I was like, congratulations. I was like, oh my god, I can't believe I actually made it. Because there was about what, 50 of us roughly, and she only needed 25 people, so half of the class. And I made it to half of the class. Me? But then I got this like imposter syndrome. I was like, am I meant to be here? Because some people have been wanting to be there for years, like for 2 years. Like they came in the previous year, they didn't get in. They came in this tomorrow, they didn't get in. And I was like, am I even meant to be here? Like I didn't even know there was an audition going on. I didn't even think I was a good dancer. I guess the dance instructor saw something in me and thought, oh, like she's a good addition to the team or something. But yeah, that's the life update. So yeah, I've been going to dance rehearsals. It's been pretty fun but pretty nerve-wracking, just because we go in and it's serious and we just like doing a dance routine because it's like obviously a competition team, so it's quite serious. So then I'm thinking, do I really want to be in the team? Because every time I go, I'm quite anxious because we go in there and we're serious and we get the moves done, and it's not as fun anymore, if you know what I mean. But let me know in the comment section if you think I should continue. But I feel like I don't know, like I want to do dance, but I don't want it to be a case where it's like I'm always anxious to go just because like they'll be choosing people for certain choreographies and it's like serious and you have to like memorize the dance. Like I just wanted to go and dance and just leave. Like that was what I wanted, but it's become all too serious now and I don't know if I want to be in that environment. But anyways, I've been such a bore and this is like literally drying off, so we just gotta wait like an extra 5 minutes. Oh my god, I've been speaking for how many minutes now? I was speaking for 7 minutes. Oh my god. Okay, we gotta go. I am so clumsy. I am literally, oh my god, okay. So I'm just about to do my skincare routine. For my night routine, I don't really do so much just because it's evening time, so I like to keep it really simple. So I'm first gonna go in with this cleanser. I feel like if you've been following me, you know I always use this cleanser, so there's no need to show you what product it is. And I'm just gonna pop like a bit onto the cotton pad, just like I usually really do anyway. And also for the face mask, I don't do the face mask each night. I do it 2-3 times a week. I haven't done a face mask in a while, like over 5 days, and I'm starting to break out. So, which is why I was like, I needed to do the face mask today. Let's just say 2 to 3 times out of the week, I use the face mask, and today just happened to be one of them days where I use the face mask. So yeah, and I do the skincare routine every single day. I've been slacking out, so I've just been doing it every other day, but since I've been breaking out, I've been doing it consistently every single day, just like I always do. It would amaze you how much comes out after I cleanse my face, although I did take a shower on recently, but you can still see like some dirt on my face, and that cleanser helps to get rid of that. But I'm gonna like show you what the cotton pad looks like after I'm done. So And it's going to be a bit nasty, but pardon me. So see, it looks like there's like a little bit of dirt. So the cleanser just seeps into the pores and gets all that dirt out, so your face is like clean. And into the bin that goes. I'm gonna go in with the serum. It's just a vitamin C serum. It dries on the skin so fast as well, which is what I love about it. Like, it just seeps into the skin in seconds. Next is moisturizing. I think I took a lot. That's a lot of moisturizer, but it is what it is. I'm just gonna do that. I'm just gonna wait for that to seep in a little bit, just because I've got like loads of moisturizer on my skin. So I'm gonna go over my body. And also, one question: do you moisturize at night time before you go to bed, or do you not? I always moisturize before going to bed. However, I know a lot of people don't, so let me know in the comment section if you moisturize or you don't moisturize at night time. Next, I'm going in with acne side gel. I use this gel for the little spots on my face. It helps to reduce inflammation, and also it lets the spots to dry up and just heal much faster. The first time I used this, it did dry out my skin a little bit, but with continuous usage, it shouldn't dry your skin as much, and also it could bleach your pillow sheets and duvet covers, so watch out. I'm not recommending this product to anyone. However, I was recommended this when I went into, was it Boots or Superdrug, and then one of the workers was like, oh yeah, she's been using this and it's been like the best thing ever. And then a friend of mine also told me that they've been using this and it worked, so I decided to get it. It's not really it's not even expensive. It's like 7-8 quid or 9. I think it's like 8-9 quid, but yeah, I'm just gonna pop this on my zits. And that's all for the skincare. I told you, very simple and straight to the point. Next, I'm just gonna make a to-do list for tomorrow. I find that planning the day ahead just helps me to be more productive, and I have this 2024 planner. One sec. So I've got this 2024 planner. I know, right? It's so cute, and it's just got like all the little pages for like planning and to-do list. I've been using this really generously lately, and yeah, so that's what we're gonna be doing. I'm gonna just plan my day for tomorrow. Tomorrow is actually a busy day for me. I've got loads of lectures and I'm trying to like meal prep. I might actually film a day in the life tomorrow. Like, I don't know, but let me know if you want it. I might film it, and then if you tell me you want it in the comment section, then I'll try and edit it and post it. I don't know if anyone is interested, but let me know in the comment section if you'd want to see like what I eat or what I cook in a day. It's actually going to be quite traditional. My light just turned off, but let me know if you want it and I would post it. Like, I will try and edit it and post it so you guys can watch. But I'm gonna try and film it tomorrow, hopefully. Let me just put that on the to-do list before I forget. But yeah, journal time.
And I like that you see the effort that I put in.
Yeah, I get it.